lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hi, I am Hansika and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, beauty and everything in between. Today I will share with you various ways to style such kind of beautiful and comfy sweater dress. This one was gifted to me long ago and it was just lying at a corner in my wardrobe. Oh, that's my dad. So yesterday I was cleaning my closet and I came across this dress, and the whole idea of making this video struck my mind because a sweater dress is just amazing. We can dress it down and dress it up, and I have got really creative for this one. So first of all, to keep my legs warm, I have wore black stockings and these black leather boots which I have reviewed in my first vlog. And I have literally wore it with every single outfit because I think I am obsessed with it. The first look is pretty simple. I have just belted up the sweater dress to cinch my waist, and if your belt is too long for your waist, then do this hack using a rubber band. For accessories, I chose these golden hoops and I'm ready. This look is perfect for casual outing with friends and when it's a not so chill winter day. It's not necessary to wear boring colors in winters, and this super colorful jacket is a perfect example. I have stole this jacket from my mom's wardrobe. And the belt on the sweater dress was not actually looking nice, so I added it up on the jacket and it turned out to be an amazing outfit. So for the next one, I have wore a long shrug with a designer shawl in the same color tone, and the outfit overall was not looking really flattering. So to gain some shape, what I did is I gathered some fabric in front and tied it with a rubber band. And there I invented another way of giving some dimensions to the outfit, and it is looking really nice according to me. Then I added some studs for accessories and you are good to go. These kind of neutral outfits look great on everyone, and neutral tones are always in for winters. If you love effortless styling, then go for a denim jacket. It can never go wrong with anything. Also, I kind of liked my invention, so I kept it as it is for this look as well. For my next look, I layer a cardigan over my sweater dress which have sequin detailing on its front, and for accessory I went for a handbag which complements the color of my cardigan. Because this outfit have so much sequin happening on it, it lies in the category of party outfits. Also, let me inform you that cardigan is another trend of this season, and brown with black never goes wrong. For this one, I layered an oversized sweatshirt with a pop of color over my sweater dress, but it was so dimensionless when I wore it, so I cropped it using the first hack which I have shown in the episode 2 of my fashion hack series. I will link that video in the description box below. You can go ahead and experiment with the color of the hoodies or sweatshirts and it will look really nice. For this one, I have wore a cord set with sweater dress, and thankfully I got someone to shoot for my video. I felt like this look is creative in itself, and I'm really sorry if you just thought that I'm playing with my hair again and again in this whole video. Okay, so I thought of adding some white into one of the outfit. So I have wore this top with ruffle detailing on its sleeves with white leggings. For accessories, I have wore pearl detail belt and a neutral tone cap, which I think is really cute, and of course a sling bag. For my next outfit, I thought of playing around with different colors, so that's why my this outfit is pretty colorful. I have wore a baby pink peachy full sleeved top underneath this sky blue jacket, and this is just another fun and cool way of carrying this look when it's not pretty cold outside. Okay, this is just another way of adding a pop of color to the boring wintry outfits. What I did is to wear a basic top underneath and adding a belt to cinch my waist in the same color palette, and same goes with other accessories as well. Comment if you agree that winter caps or hats just takes your outfit to the whole another level of cuteness. For my last look, I have wore a basic white shirt. You can pick any color that you want. Just roll up the sleeves a little bit to add that edgy look and make a knot in the front, and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and find it helpful in one or the other way, and if it did, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, and if you happen to recreate any of these looks, then do let me know through Instagram DM, or you can also tag me in your stories so that I will also get to learn from you all. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Loads of love.